Tom Oliver Nutrition Premium Nutritional Supplement Review video. This is what I'm making it right now. And make sure you watch this video because I will just give you complete information about this. So this nutrition is a premium brand that offers high quality, easy to swallow nutrition supplement that focus on providing effective bioavailable formula in convenient sizes catering to various population including children and older adults. Now, is there any proper review? Where are from my sources and what are the disadvantages and advantages and what should be the conclusion? Everything I will cover up this in this video. The product highlights that is a vegan friendly capsule. You can just buy it from the Amazon and Walmart as well as a you buy, right? There are the different kind of website and you can just buy that, right? And specialized formulas like vitamin D plus K2, micro compression and micro encapsulation technique to pack RDIs into small servings. Follow RDI guideline instead of pushing high doses, avoiding personal or potential determinant from overconsumption. So if you just look at the customer reviews, this is Amazon customer reviews, and let's just go and read the 5-star reviews. These are the pretty good, and 51% half of the reviews came from 5 star. This is a 4 star, 20% you can consider it out. 1 star and 2 star is really low, right? And let's see 1 and 2 star here. So here, the time round the protein powder has no taste. Have purchased this before a taste of strawberry and it should have, but not this time. Okay, so this could be a defective product or a wrong product. And these are some of the reviews from Review Meta here. And overall that is 4.1 and 4.3, right? You can just go and read the reviews and check the prices and everything. This is a trust pilot. Same thing here, a good review as well as a bad review. Bad reviews around really less. Never arrives, so this is not about the product quality. Update poor communication, bad customer service, perfect as always, unreliable service. Okay, so their service is pretty bad, I think. So if they're ordering it from their official website, but if you just go and order it from the Amazon, I don't think Amazon check customers so casually here, right? So these are the official website. You can just go and you can buy it from there, right? So it's really interesting and a good one. And Tom Oliver Nutrition offer premium science fact supplements, so it's really good for the humans. And this is it, guys. This is a conclusion. Make sure to like this video, subscribe if you really found this video useful.